Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming prerequisites, an open workbook, timestamp column, and the source time zone. Once done, add 2 helper columns, one for parsed data time and one for converted value. Make sure Excel recognizes values as real data times, not text. Use value or date value if needed. You will also enable the analysis ribbon or Power Query if working with many rows. Now, enter a sample formula in the parsed column so you can verify parsing and conversion behavior before applying it to the full set. You now choose a method, formulas for small sets or Power Query for large, repeatable jobs. For formulas, compute offset as decimal days, equals A2 plus offset hours /24. For text timestamps, parse with date value, time value, or combine text functions so Excel treats them as data times. For Power Query, import the column, change type to data time zone, then use transform right arrow time zone to shift to the target zone. Make sure to test with sample dates near DSD transitions. You finish by applying the conversion across your dataset, and then paste as values so results don't recalculate unexpectedly. Once done, validate by checking several known reference times across time zones to ensure accuracy. If you see mismatches, make sure the original values were parsed correctly, confirm Excel's regional and system time zone settings, and verify DSD handling. Adjust with a lookup table if needed. Finally, save a copy before mass changes so you can revert if any systematic error appears.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.